Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today is a very special day. Today is the day I've gotten my silver play button. I have it right here and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. I wanted to show what all you get with the silver play button. And I reached this milestone around, a couple of months back. I reached it in January, right, in the beginning of the year. But the main thing is that while getting the silver play button, you have to put the address in which your Aadhaar card address is, right? And my Aadhaar card address is in Bihar, my native place, and nobody lives there. So that was a big trouble I had to go through. I had to change my Aadhaar card address. Initially, I tried with my phone bill, that didn't work. Then I got a rent agreement. I used that, and finally I was able to change it. And it got me around 2 weeks to get it right initially because there's only a company in US that makes these buttons, right? These creator awards. So it came from US to Anchorage. I'll show it on the screen, right? The entire path that it took. So it came all the way from US to China to Vietnam, and finally we have it right here. Let's unbox it. Let me show it to you guys. So this is the box that you get this into. So it's like a cardboard box. It has YouTube's logo and branding here. Let's open it. Let me show you guys what all you get. So this is the look of the box from inside. You have this foam here, and after that you have the logo of YouTube. Like these are the play buttons that they provide, and then there's a letter from the YouTube CEO, if you can see. So it's a signed letter from YouTube CEO. Everyone gets it, right? So it's pretty good to have. It's like a special touch, of course. Then here is the main thing. As you can see, this is the silver play button. Of course, it's actually a big achievement, right? So it may not be to a lot of people, but definitely for me, it quite was, right? So you can see it's quite sturdy. If you can see, it's not as heavy as I expected it would be because it's not entirely metal. I think there's a metal area this side, but it's not entirely made of metal. It has a little bit of weight to it, I think around 300 grams. But yeah, let's take it out of the cover and show it to you guys. It looks very premium, right? The entire feel of it, if you see, it looks very premium. Of course, it has my name, you can see. So my name is a channel name as well. I didn't change it usually. So we have the option of putting whatever we want. You can put your name, your girlfriend's name, your channel's name. You can put whatever you want. I of course put mine and my channel's name, and you can see it's engraved. So it has a bit of a texture feel because it's engraved. And afterwards you have this card of the company that makes it, because like I said, right, there's only one company that makes it in the entire world, and that's in US. So it's quite a great thing, and thank you so much for all of you guys for subscribing, for showing your support, and for helping me out, because of course I needed all of you guys to get here. You guys always comment on my videos, you guys leave positive comments, show all your support. I'm very grateful for that. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a quick unboxing video. Here's everything you get, and here's the silver play button. Thank you for all the love and support.